Fine, but I'm not gonna actually start streaming until start repair until 10. So we could just chat for 15 minutes because I think I've got a potential customer at 10 anyway. Still second, yeah. Hello MK, you are boing as well. You very boing you are. Worms, Pico. Well, I've been truly tugged with that one. What do you mean? Oh, what do I get paid for? Oh, okay, I've got to ship that then. Bless her. Ka-ching! Money, money, money. Plus, I got replied to people anyway. Hello, morning. Wondering if you repair. Do you only repair or do you also buy? I have a smart TV that has some red, yellow, and green lines at the top. Replaced it, so no longer needed. Unfortunately, I don't. Sorry. Thank you anyway. Basically, she can't be bothered to take it to the tip like everyone else. I know it's not 10. I'm not actually working till 10. I'm not actually going to start till 10. So instead of letting you guys wait, we might as well just chill.
I've got a really small one.
Perfect. It's working again. I did downgrade my OBS. Nice. I did down. All right. Thank you for wasting all that. Did downgrade my OBS, so it's all working.
Oh no!
Have I got 4 commands? There you go. It should be done now. Oh no. Yeah, so my OBS didn't have any issues live streaming this morning. Oh no. And also it's not cutting out on small. Yeah, they all work for me. Yeah, thank you for that. And is my volume okay? Because I've actually turned down the decibels and I removed my limiter. So because I can still hear it clipping. And I think it's because I had the gain up by some and also I had a limiter, so it was just constantly clipping. Yeah, it sounds good here. Volume good for me. Okay, cool. I've actually turned up because before I'll turn it up again. I had it on +6, so it was going to be that loud, and I think it was clipping. I can have it up to +12, and it's even louder. But let's put it back on 0. Anyway, I've already done that, Pico. Thank you. Oh, PCDD. Hello. Thank you. Hi, Andy. Thank you. Sorry, it had gone into my junk. I've just made the payment. Perfect. Thank you. Do I have a return address? That's a good point. Did she provide me with a return address? I think she may have done. Yeah, but no number on it. She forgot to put a house number on it, so I'm going to need your house number. Oh dear. Oh, donkey. Unless she doesn't have a house number, unless she's fancy. What about on the label? Has it got return? Oh, it has got one. Oh, there's 2 different addresses. Okay. Let me just take a picture. For some reason, I've got 2 addresses for her, so I don't know which one's which. Take a picture and send it to her. Is that your return address? Why did she pay £5.35 for it? Oh, is it track 24? No, it's 48. So why the hell did she pay that much? Anyway. Morning, Sylvia. Air duct. What's that for? I don't know, but it keeps blowing my electric, so I've got to sort that out. Hopefully, it's going to fix it now with all these correct diodes. Because it had one blown diode to begin with, then I replaced it with a different type of diode, and then it blew the rest. Can you send me £100 of my money, please, for shopping and fuel? Trousers. Hello, I want to reply. For God's sake. Oh no! Oh no! Perfect. Electro Rep, hello, Julian and Juiced. Sergi, hello, Andy. Sorry, did you go ding ding ding? I think it's timed out because people were abusing it. Trousers. Hello, Andy. Look, hello, chat. Nice. Oh, Yeti's here too. Yeah, I'm not starting till 10, so we've still got 10 minutes. Good thing about this is no soldering's needed for this bridge rectifier. It's just screws. Oh, I might as well take you full screen, ain't I? There we go. We could just chat for a bit. And I'll vape as well, just because I can. Hopefully, yeah, I get the roof done tomorrow. So I may not be streaming. He's coming at 8:30. Because I don't know if I showed you. I don't think I did. So he said he really wants to structure the roof properly. Reinforce the roof properly, because I've only got 2 beams going across, and he said when it snows, it's just going to start bowing, which we had this discussion before. And I had a good look at the beams anyway, and I've noticed something, and it's shocking. And I will show you what I found. Oh, can't see. Let me change it. Main cams. That's supposed to be holding the roof. How is that support? What juice? Yeah, scene's fine now, yeah. Just about to ask about the roof. How is that supposed to support the roof? That's not. Look at it. Proper bodge job. It's not even holding the roof. It's just stuck on the roof. It's just added weight. Exactly. It's not even against the actual shed itself. And I was, oh my God. So he's going to do all that for me as well. He kept saying, look, mate, I really advise you do it. I said, I take pride in my work and all that stuff. I was like, yeah. It is dodgy. I said to it, I was kind of, whoa, Sergi. It seems like you have nice weather. I do. It's quite warm. Yeah, I said to him, look, because I got a bit not angry. I was aggy yesterday, and I even messaged him saying, look, mate, the phone number you gave me on your invoice is invalid. I said, and it keeps getting postponed. I said, sorry, but I'm sick of cowboys and all that stuff. And he was like, no, mate, I'm really sorry. He said, I have been waiting for the parts to arrive and all that stuff. So, and he gave me his real number. Who the hell built that shed? Oh my God, some cowboys. They had good Google reviews. They're called Garden and Pond Maintenance Place or something. They're good reviews. They've built sheds before, and then they made a right mess of this one. Hello, Joseph. No, I'd rather, yeah, rather someone else fix it. I know you could have, even I could have probably done a slightly better job. You should give a bad review, honestly. I already gave him good review. I am going to alter it once it's all done. And also, they did phone back about the top of the roof and said they'll rectify it. They said they'll do it Wednesday. Didn't hear anything from them. I messaged them yesterday saying, I don't need you to come out. I've already got someone else done it. I said, done it, but it's doing it. And yet they didn't respond or anything or even looked at the message. So, shocking. Don't let them get away with it until you're happy with the work. That's the thing. I wasn't fully here. I wasn't here though, was I? I was at the other house. I wasn't able to inspect it or anything. So I already paid them. But yeah, hello Yorkshire Dave, morning. Made it. Who'd help you? You should give about your read that already. Don't let them get away with it until you're happy with the work. Yeah. How do you mess up the shed that much? I don't know. Honestly, they messed up the felt. I even had leftover pieces of wood in the garden, like beams. So I don't know what they've done. That's all been taken away now. You thought it was a pre-built? No. Hello all except Andy. Hello Alty. Sorry about the mess, dude. I'm going to go past for a few. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, you said it was like gone midnight for you, innit? Or something? Nearly 1 o'clock a.m. for you? Well, regardless, I would visit their workplace or something if they don't answer. Just ask what the hell's up. I know. They did a good job on the pavement, the base. Just hello, Pitsko. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow that'll be the last of it. And this guy's also going to give me extra insulation. He says he's got rolls of it, and he said he just wants it gone. He said 2 brand new rolls. I was like, perfect. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, just about 1 a.m. Yeah, 12:53. Yep, you're gonna have to close that door, babes.
Hello, everybody. Right, I'm going.
All right, I love you. Ew, it's wet.
Forever and always.
Forever and always. I love
Oh,
you.
that's the effect you have on me.
No, it's not. Can you? You'll have to move both thingies.
Okay.
All right, I love you.
I love you.
Forever and always. Bye. Is it okay to open it now?
Sorry?
Is it okay to open my door now?
1 minute. Yep, you can now.
You'll have to let me know when you come back if the door's still open. All right. Sorry, it's just because I want to wedge this door open, and the stupid men didn't think about having 2 doors next to each other neither. But yeah, the guy who's redoing this roof for me, he came out again yesterday and redone the tarp on top of the roof because it had basically flown off completely. Oh, hey Tracy. Oh, she's gone. If you say it's good base until it'll crack and water is critters get in. Yeah. That's embarrassing. I helped my dad move walls in his house and lower floors, and all we did was spotless and not hard. Some people just want the money and don't care. Oh, that's my car. Andy has a belly. Yeah, I'm fat now, LT. It's a problem doing this sort of job. You get fat. I used to be really slim and everything. Now I'm fat. It is a party car, but it's really deep. I've got launch control on it and everything, so it would like bounce off of like 2,000 RPM. It goes boom, 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 and then you release the clutch. It goes boom, 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 and just it goes mental. It's been remapped, custom map on it. Oh, that's better than mine. Fart as this command? No, it's not. What? Sedentarism is our plague. Sedentarism. Never heard of that one. Hello, Philip. We good, I think. Supposed to have a customer at 10, so let's see what he's doing. Just having a little chin wag before I start. I also got fatter. Discovered when tried out my wedding outfit because I have an event in the weekend. Ooh, get a new shirt now. That's what happens. It's kind of annoying. I mean, no picture, is it me? Okay. Yeah, I got a picture. Thing is, all my life, my weight's been fluctuating like crazy. 1 minute I was fat, then I went really down. I went down to like 11 stone 10, and then I went back up. Then I went down again to 12 stone, and now I've put it all back on. The fact that we don't work out much, yeah. Hoodie looking good. Thank you. Yeah, I've even got a little name tag. Belly is fine. I'm partway through saving up for Andy Belly. We have pictured. Slimming World worked for me for a while. Yeah, I used to just live on plain chicken and rice, and that was for dinner. And then for lunch, I would have a dried poached egg on toast. That was it every day. And I just lost the weight so quick. It was amazing. But it's just hard to do it because I was living on my own. I was living in a shared house, so I only bought what I wanted, and I didn't have the urge. Well, I had nothing in there to buy it, to eat. Sorry. Ooh, someone going for employed a month? Yeah. I dropped from 168 kilograms to 83. Nice. It was very hard. It is for the first few weeks. And once your stomach starts getting used to it, it's a little bit easier for me. Eat healthy and exercise. Actually doing that. My downfall is nighttime. I could be healthy all during the day or in the evening. But then when I go to bed about 10, 11 o'clock, I'm like, damn, I'm so hungry. And that's when I binge eat. And I can't help it. It's hard. Are you sweet or savory? I was sweet. I'm savory now. I love my savory food. Pizza. Best way to lose weight, eat less, move more, simples. Yeah. And I lost all the weight without doing any exercise, just eating on chicken and rice and poached egg on dry toast. Right, okay, I think it's nearly 10 o'clock, so I'm going to get gloves. I forgot how greasy this is. And then I'm going to change the bridge rectifiers. Here we go. Watch it go kabang. Seafood diets are shizzle. I hate seafood. You always admire how Rosamund finds way to spend precious time at the gym. Yeah. I was 230 pounds. I'm now 193. That's nice. Yeah, you look good, Spec, when you did your test stream. And hurry up and get streaming. We need more streamers. Right, let me go get my gloves, some more gloves. I'll be back. Don't you want me because I love you, baby? Don't you need me? Because no one's in the house now. So if I do trip the electric, it's all good. Oh, let's turn around. Turn around. So someone's emailed me asking if I could do cap replacements on a Famicom. Don't know if I should do it. It's like the Atari all over again. Retro stuff, innit? I don't think I am. I'm going to say no. That stuff stinks and it's horrible. You need a desoldering gun for that sort of stuff. It's a very posh extractor that sits in the hob. Oh, is it? Very posh one. It doesn't look it. I know it's been stripped down, but hopefully this will fix it. So where are you with this duct? So I believe it's either the solenoid that's blowing it or the bridge rectifier. And the bridge rectifier was already blown, and I replaced it with a different type. These are from RS Components, by the way. So these are good ones. They arrived late last night. Yeah, so I replaced it with not the correct one, and it blew again. So what I want to do is actually disconnect the solenoid, and then change the bridge rectifier with all new diodes, and then test it. If it doesn't blow, then I'll plug in the solenoid again, and then see if it blows. If it blows, then it's the solenoid, I assume. What am I doing? Trying to zoom in, aren't I? Let's have a look. Don't want to zoom in too far though. Yo. That'll do. You can do it, pal. Thank you, Phil. I really hope so, mate. So what I'm going to do first is disconnect the solenoid. Because we've figured out this works fine. I assume I assume it is. Because it doesn't blow or anything when that's plugged in on its own. I should tape them up after. Right, I'm going to do this big front one first. Can you see? Yeah, you can sort of see. Because it's got insulation on it. I don't understand why, because it's still touching the other diodes. It's this one says a CP. Or is that a GP, but it's rubbed off? GP0240. But these are all GPs and the rest are GPs. GP0240. Anyway, measure it. There's no point measuring it. Recap the Famicom, your sock. I don't have a desoldering gun. Yeah, I'm gonna. It's only this one that's insulated. And they're all going the same way, apart from this one on the left here. It's the only one here that's opposite. Hello, grass puddle. So what I'm going to do is pull my first one out. Wait, how can you measure it in the diode tester? I think this one's okay. Oh, not diode tester. In my, I forgot what it's called. Let's do 1 and 2. Because now I know about that. So this is a good one. So this is a 1.34 volt. Doesn't really say much, just says diode. And then this one Yeah, this is fourth. Yeah, it's exactly the same by the looks of it, the UF, but I don't know if that means anything. But yeah, it is rated 4,000 volts or whatever it was. It said it on the. Is a high voltage recommended? Yeah, reverse voltage 4,000 volts and average forward current of 250 milliamps. Yeah, perfect. All right, let me insulate these. So I'm going to need my insulation stuff. I don't have great ones. He's going to have a different color. It should not. Yeah, Sergio, we've already established. This one's fine. This one's actually fine. This one's not blown. There's only 2 in there that's blown now. We've done all the testing and that anyway on another stream. Right, let's go for the smallest, being black. So stop it about. Don't know whereabouts the snippet there. Stop saying hello to each other, guys, please. Thank you. You're only supposed to say hello to me. Yeah, I think that would be good. Hello, Worms. Have I not said hello to you yet? Why is everyone saying hello? Oh, I see what's going on. Oh, God. Hi, babes.
Oh no!
Oh, no. Yo, hi, Axis. Hello. Hi, Axis. Up there. I think I just cut my glove. I bloody have. And again. Tape the glove? What do you mean? Alright, that's protected now. So let's do this first one. I've probably got way too much wire. Yeah, I do. So there's one at the front. That's way too much. Bloody wires are in my way. Can you guys see? No, not really. One there, one there. I mean, it's all connected together, so. Wow, that's way too long. I've got to snip them down. At least we've got the angle. Still the wrong angle? Where is it? Oh, it's over there. Stuck behind the wire. There we go. Right, let me undo it a bit more. Not going to look as pretty, but it will still do its job. I hope. This might be harder than I thought, you know. This might be harder than I thought. Can you zoom out? You want to zoom out? You want to? Yeah, but you can't see what I'm doing then. Yeah, I can zoom out if you want. Oh, hi, Cara. Oh, cryogenics. Not seen you in ages, man. How are you? Better leave this one.
Ace Console Repairs Australia.
Thank you.
Ace Console Repairs Australia celebrates 4 months of membership.
Hey. You keep saying that. Right, let's do the next one. That's insulated. Let's do this rear one. keep moving. I might have to screw this one down temporarily. Like that. No, that doesn't seem like it's screwed down. There, now it is. Screw down. Cool. Right, yeah, that's definitely in there. Oh no, that's all right. That is all right size. Okay, sorry, yeah. So that one's the next one. Let's replace it. Hi babes. You there already? You there already, Trace? What the hell? Yeah, jeez. Oops. That's the next one going in. She must have ran. No. She probably put her foot down in the car. Oh shit, where'd that go? Can't be late for a funeral. True that. Come on, get down in there. Get down in there. Get down in there. I've got to unscrew that a bit more. Yeah, you guys can't see Schnit. I'm sorry. There's not really much to look at. Just trying to feed diodes in. There you go, that's another one fed in. I think these need to be pulled out a little bit more. Okay, and this one. Nice, that can be screwed back down. Beautiful. Now it's the middle. I've got two more left to do. Engagement. What I miss? He has an outie. Hi, Trevor. Then hubby. So Trevor, hubby. Whoa. Congratulations on the engagement, Tracy. She ran in case the power went off. Yeah, that's more like it, Phil. That's what will happen. Let's undo that one. Did I say two more left? Yeah, I did. And that one. This middle one's really crusty. One day he will. And also, Tracy is a mod too. So much I've missed. Oh, yeah. She's been a mod for a while, I think. Until I unmodded her at one point. How you been, Cryo, anyway? All right? I've got a new microphone. I don't know if you've noticed. She is not boss. Andy hasn't claimed it yet, Squishy. Well, sort of have. Made kids. That's planting my seed. She is the boss. No. Of course she is Andy's better half. Ha! She would agree to disagree. Oh, God's sake. I think I cut one leg way too shorter than the other. There you go. It's really hard to hold with crappy tweezers. Oh no. Ah, there you go. Right, one more to go. Let me tighten this one up. Nice. Now I've got these two to do, and then that's it. We'll have one more, and then we'll see if it goes kabam. This is the one that I replaced it with an IN diode. Didn't really work out that well. Where did my pack go? There it is. Tracy, SCR, bye-bye. Good luck at the funeral. Oh, bless. Bye, Trace. I love you forever and always. Andy, where's the panties? I'm off BBS. What? I'll be back soon. Jesus Christ. You're not 15, babes. Nobody puts BBS. Do we, guys? Andy is the tool. Shut your face. A poor man blames his tools. Bloody £10 for all these diodes. I did buy 10 just in case they blow again. Oh, X-Zern. Sorry, I'm going to call you X-Zern. Good morning. We might be gone for a few minutes because I'll probably blow the electrics. So just bear with me while I resume the stream if I can, if OBS will let me. Can't seem to get this diode in. Why is that not going down? Oops. No, don't go back up. I think that is down. I think my leg's just too long. Yes. There you go. That looks pretty much stock. I think the rest are all fine. Yeah, it looks stock. I don't know if you can see that. It looks pretty good. I think they're all in the correct orientation. This one needed to be pushed up a little bit. Not that it matters at all. Beautiful. And there's the bridge rectifier replaced. Shed needs the breaker panel. Yeah. That's right, there's one in the house. It trips the one in the house all the time. UK is pretty safe. Oh, this is scary. All right, let me tape these up and then we'll try it without the solenoid in. If it blows again, I cry. Oh, I need the dimmer bulb thing. I forgot. Shit. No need to tape. Is it not going to... Oh, yeah, of course, it's not going to short out. There's no power getting to it. Wait, is there power getting to it? No, there's no power getting to it. All right. Those are in IIR, no voltage. Yeah, I just realised that. All right, here we go, guys. I'm scared. See if we go bang. I'll see you on the other side. Unplugging my TV because the TV is still plugged in. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we're still here. Yay. We're still here, boys. We're still here. So, that's good. Now I've got to plug in the solenoid. Let me try and check for voltages around the bridge rectifier, actually, while we're on. That is good. Let's turn this. Ready? Oh, and it's clicking. Yay. All right, let's have a look. What voltages are we getting? Oh, it is a DC because of bridge rectifier, right? No, I guess it'll be an AC. Yay, look at that. 250 volts. Oh, you can't see. Yeah, the relays are clicking. Oh, there it goes. Just clicked again. Don't know if you heard that. Yay. I think it's fit. It was the bridge rectifier. No common ground. Yeah, this is all right. You see it? Oh, no, that says 5 point something volts now. It's just clicked. See? If I turn on the clicky thing. Look at that. 248 volts. Turn it off. It should click and turn off in a sec. Well, it did earlier. Now add the solenoids and make them relays click again. There you go, it's just cut off and it's back down to 5 volts. Right, there will be an ad for you people in 50 seconds. Why are you measuring to ground? Because I want to see what voltages are going to the solenoid, or would go to the solenoid. I don't understand why you're asking. No, you've got 30 seconds yet, Joseph. Yeah, all right, you little unsupporters. I'm kidding. Okay, let me unplug it, connect the solenoid, and see if it blows. If it blows it, rip solenoid. We're getting closer. All right. I don't think there's a cap in here either, is there? There's not really no big capacitors. Got premium. Oh, fair enough. That's good then. Right, 1 second. All right, there's an ad for the ad people. Ads inserted. Wait 5 seconds because they could skip. Yeah, I'm on Revance too. YouTube Premium for £25 a year. That's not bad. That's really good, actually. Enjoy your ads. Yeah, I use Revanced. I think everyone does. Of course, you got to use Revanced. Sorry, Yeti. Right, let me see if we're safe. Is it DC? I can't remember if it was AC or DC now on the bridge. It was AC. Yeah, we're good. What? My scene's fine, Sergio. My scene is fine. Right, let's get this in. Whoops. See daisies.
Oh no!
I've got
When you-
a really small one.
Have you, James? When you play ads, Andy, please pause until they finish. I did. I waited over 5 seconds, LT. You could skip after 5 seconds. What? Hello, blind. Oh dear. Why did I add too many commands already? There's me saying, oh, I only want one command. One command just for change the scene, alert for the scene, and now I've got all these other 3. Hey, Alfie, are you getting ads then? Wait until you have 100 odd. Yeah, I'm not doing that. What was your ads? I don't know. I don't see the ads. Commands are great. You need the kitty command. I'm not a fan of that kitty song. Don't know why. Right, here we go. Ready, guys? I might see you on the other side. It might go bang, it might not. We are in the off position. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes. Still here. I'm premium. Oh, nice. Now we're still here. I think it's fixed. It was just a bridge rectifier all along. Let me see if it turns on. Ready? Watch the solenoid. Yes. Look at that. Well, it moved slightly. I don't understand how it works. But that's energized now. Now what happens? Is that it? And then it will release. Look, it should release in a minute. There you go. And it's releasing. I think it needs greasing up a little bit though. But why has it got 1 and 2 though? What does the second one do? That's energized. Because it doesn't go anywhere else. It's clicking. Removing will open fins to allow airflow through. But why has it got 1 and 2? Yeah, I mean, it's got 1 and 2, but it doesn't seem to be moving any more than that. But it's literally only got a small amount of movement. So I don't think it'd go any lower. I thought it would. The second will send a signal to the motor for a speed thing. Oh. Longer, faster, bigger, smaller. So we call this fixed, yeah? call it fixed. Why is there bloody roadwork stuff here now? Yep. Yes. Cool. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. After a clean. I'm not cleaning that. That's thick of grease. Oh, that's so cool. Hey. I don't know why it takes a while for it to close. Maybe it's some sort of safety thing. Wicked. Oh, that's my multimeter on the floor. If it's grease, it needs a clean. I'm not cleaning it. You get some like, ugh. I'm not grease all over there. I'm not licking it. Delay like a time delay on the bathroom fan. Right, okay, cool. I need to finish putting it back together properly because screws are not screwed down. Why is it always the bridge rectifiers? I want to show you something next on that really expensive Lin streamer thing to make sure I have 100% found the faults, because I'm not too sure about couplers, whatever they're called, optocouplers, and I believe it's faulty. So I bought all those extra diodes for no reason. Always good to have extra diodes. Let's put it in his bag and let him know the good news. I think he's given me a number to contact in this greasy bag. Ew. Yeah. Oh, so that's what it is. It's a VL30, I think, unless this is a complete different manual. No, this is it. This is the... Oh, it's got schematics. No way. Why did I not look at this before? There you go, Phil. Enjoy your eyes. It's not in English, but... Right, I need to go to his details page. There it is. Wicked. Why is he giving me two numbers? Oh, house number. Yeah, right. I'll put that on my fixed pile. Oh yeah, I've got a... Non-lit LED transistor is off. Lit LED voltage on transistor base. Yeah, the transistor blue. I'll show you in a minute, Sergio. I think I've... Is it opto shorted? It was originally, yeah. So I've taken off the... I think it's like a switch. I want to say a switch transistor type thing. Switch in MOSFET. It's got loads of legs. And the short went on the diode, optocouple, but it reads as open and not an LED. It won't measure, because there was two optocouplers side by side. I even took both off and compared them, and one of them's not reading at all. The motor. What? Just wire the mains to the motor and call it good. I fixed it, Lee. It's fixed. Fixed. So that's why it's on the bench, because the parts arrived for it yesterday evening. Just got to screw it up properly, because I don't have the correct tools. I have to use pliers. Just dropped in. Oh, yeah. I literally replaced the diodes, all of them, and it didn't go bang. So greasy. Now I think it would probably be a wise thing to take the paper off too, won't it? To prevent fires. Excuse me, guys. Sounds to me you diagnosed the faulty optocoupler correctly. That's good, hopefully, because I did it off stream yesterday because I was in an Aggie mood yesterday. I was really snappy, even at the missus. I apologised. But once I received it, I took it apart. I was like looking around for stuff. I was like, there's no shorts anywhere. carried on looking, and I remember the opto couplers on the PS5 power supplies, and I remember being on the call to Toltec Merc, and he was basically telling me how it works. So I thought I'd measure them, and that's when I saw the short on there. They were both in diode mode. It was reading 0 volts both ways. And then I went from there, really, traced it back, tested the legs on this weird 8-legged freak. Took that 8-legged freak off, and the short went, but the optocouple was still not short, but reading open. But yeah, I just want to double check with you guys anyway and show you, because it's an expensive equipment. It's like £500 used or £350 used. Ridiculous. Same here. I had a terrible attitude yesterday. Blamed it on the cat. Attacked my bunny in the own yard. Oh, yeah. Oh, hi, Lee. Someone needs a set of nut drivers. Yeah, I've got them in the shed. It's with my car maintenance toolkit. I could have just used that. But these ones are not big enough, unfortunately. Why am I dropping everything? I think of opto isolator as a relay. One signal can control another circuit without total isolation of the circuits. They can also work very fast compared to relays, can they? Interesting. Oh no, where's those gloves? Oh, stuck to my mat. Oh, that's the Xbox, man. Ugh. It's in around 10ish. 2 seconds, buddy, and I'll be there. Glad the mic was off. I forgot to check, see if it was, but it was. All right, got another Xbox. Whoops. Well, I hope that you guys didn't hear that. Pretty sure you didn't. Right, I've got literally no more rooms on my shelf. I've got a graphics card here as well that got dropped off yesterday. Right, I was trying to put this back in. I could tell he is well loved. Who? I'll post one in Discord if you want. No, RO. You've posted any pics of your bunny. Oh. He's put it in the most awkward bag, you know. What? Bunny is well loved. Hello, PLD. Yes, I see, I see. How are you? Just fixed an air duct. And it's disgusting. But it's working now. Thanks to RS Components. Let's put that on the shelf. I'll contact him later about it when I'm on a break or something. Cool. Yuck. Yuck. Unfortunately, though, PLD, you came as I was just about to do a console. But then we'll go back to normal stuff afterwards. Why don't we ever see Ace around here now? Did you ban him? No, he comes in for like half an hour and then he disappears. I don't know, because of daylight savings. I think the time's completely different now. I don't know. Yeah, PLD is here. The man, the legend. Yeah, my ammeter or USB-C meter thing is all brand new looking again. I've got diode there, diode legs. Clean this off, it's got grease everywhere. I think that's good. Didn't get too messy this time. Vision Electronic Repairs. Oh, I haven't seen your name before. You just chimed up because PLD's here. Oh yeah, he's in the stupid part of the country. Still participates in the ludicrous notion that you could get more out of a day, but cutting off an hour at the end of the stick. Yeah, I know he is. 3 MacBooks could do. 3 MacBooks could do with you later. Oof. Good luck with that. Okay, so we got, unfortunately, well, not too much. It's easy money at the end of the day. Change the title. I'm going to go catch my dinner. Oh, okay, Kyle. Thank you for the rude comments earlier. I really appreciated that. I'm joking. Only did a single MacBook today, an A1990, and it wasn't an SSD VREG failure. Nice. Guys, can you stop greeting Paul, please? I'm getting jealous. Thank you. Right, yeah, we can see that the port's mangled. I don't usually have it zoomed out this much, but... So, nice and easy. No, I know you were, Kyle. I know. I was joking. But I didn't trip my electrics today, so Yeti's poll is now confirmed. He does definitely shock himself more than I
I've
tripped the
got
house.
a really small one.
I see we're abandoning JDT. What do you mean? We're abandoning JDT. Oh my god, my tweezers are gone. I don't watch him because I'm streaming myself. I think I did watch a bit of him yesterday. Stupid Atom. Oh my god. Let's do 170 degrees. Paul likes to start trouble. Yeah, sounds like it. Thank you, Kyle. I appreciate that. Who was it? Oh, it was Nandor, wasn't it? That got banned on his YouTube. If that ever happened to me, I wouldn't mind. Because I like the small community and I could easily just get you guys back. If you know what I mean. Back to where we are. The only thing is, I might not be able to stream for 24 hours, isn't it? I've watched. Yeah, I read that already. You're a villain. You villain. You villain. You Paul. Sorry, I don't know why I struggled reading that. Yep, but we happily take some of Fur Kids back. Some of the Fur Kids back. What? I'm so lost on what you guys are saying right now. Oh, he is here. Why are you drowning some sorrows? Why, what's going on, Alty? It's tough being a 100% streamer, so my hat off to JDT for going all in. Oh yeah, that is his main job, innit? Just pure streaming, not actual getting money from. Oh my god, what he's actually repairing, etc. Yeah, I understand that. That is his job, is being a streamer. That is his income. One, this isn't my main income. This is just a little side thing to help us bobble along. And yeah, and I enjoy it. And if I gain extra money, help towards the family, great. Ace, what? Oh, his is whiskey, I think. That meter is so much better than my old one. Thanks again. Did you buy one blind? Andy, we're down one kitty and it seems so weird. Paul has lots of loved fur babies. Oh, this is not your main thing. No, this isn't. I mean, this isn't my income. This isn't for my income. My missus does the main income. She has the full-time job. And mine's just like an extra top-up side job. Paul sent me a better multimeter. What? Nice. And it has a nightlife. Adjust. JD style. Oh my god, they make these stiff up. There you go. Is there any audio files out there? I want to know if my voice is still clipping. Because I noticed it was. Oh my god. Jeez. Because I can't stand that clipping noise. I'm surprised nobody said anything about it. Oof. God, I haven't done a console repair for a while. I still want one of Paul's USB meters someday. No, I wouldn't. Look at it. It doesn't even work. Look. It's just showing zeros all the time. That's why I need to put my phone on charge. Oh, now it's working. It's weird. It only works when you plug something in. Joking. Right, I'm slacking. Andy, I really admire that. Living on a steady income, especially with kids, is near impossible here in the Netherlands. Yeah. So I'm basically the full-time dad. I have to do the school runs, make them like lunch and stuff. Feed and water them not before midnight. I mean, not after midnight. But she's the one that goes out and brings the main income. Because it's always used to be me. We've been together for so many years. Probably like 17 years, and I've always been the one doing the full-time job, so it's like switched now. It's quite nice for now anyway. I heard you did, Alty, yeah, so you don't have to buy it. I heard you say the exact same words in your stream. I kind of wish I went for the Bosch 2 again, but the price difference between the 2 and the 3 wasn't much. But I do, the thing that put me off is it not being USB-C. That's the only thing that put me off. Feed and water them. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Oh my god, I can't get it out. What is going on? Oh, there you go. I seem to be stronger in my left hand now. Weird. But Alti, I love the fact that I've disabled that push to spin. That really annoyed me. It would just strip some of the screws sometimes because you want to try and push down to get a bit of torque, but it starts screwing before you push, as soon as you push down. If that makes sense. Yeah, it does, Andy. PLD sent out those multimeters he had? I did, Grass Puddle. I will DM photo. I have no idea how I'm going to attach your ring light PLD to this. Do you reckon it'll be possible? Because I've got a polarized lens at the minute and I kind of want to keep it. It probably won't. I'll probably have to completely remove this. I'll probably just stick the polarized lens on the actual lens itself. Probably won't need the reducer. I might need the reducer. I don't know. As bodged as it is, but I'll figure it out. So what's the issue with the Go 3 compared to the Go 2? Wow. Just this one's USB-C, which is nice. This had a push down function, so you only have to press it, like push it down and it'll spin. And I think this one's got LEDs and his doesn't. I could be wrong. But I've disabled the LEDs and disabled the push down thing. There was 2 connectors underneath here. I just disconnected it. Oh my God, who's that? Discord messages, Messenger. Not talking to me then. What do you mean? I messaged you this morning. Oh my God. I'm streaming, Dad. I'm sorry. Oh, I can't answer. I don't think I sent Tracy that money neither. No, I didn't. Oh, for God's sake. I forgot to send her the money. Sorry, guys. I've got to send Tracy money because I'm in control, because I'm good with money. Yeah, you say that, LT, but I get tons of reflection and it looks god awful. I know it's all about that angled lens, the angled lights, but hopefully PLD's one will be angled. Well, his is angled, so hopefully it should reduce the glare. Withdraw £100. Send Tracy £100. It's weird, her name's spelled wrong on there. There you go. So I don't know what eyeballs these people have who can see a massive difference. All I get is darker overcast image, yes. Oh, with circular polarizer. Oh, mine's not too bad. Yeah, it does get darker, but you could adjust the brightness setting. I just sent it to her. You could adjust the brightness setting in your settings. Like this, look. So this is with a polarized lens. Oh, it's a bit too bright now, but yeah, it's not bad, is it? Obviously, that's adjusting the anti-glare thingy. Yeah, it looks all right. It is a little bit dark, but I could probably brighten up a little bit more. I'm not going to be in the doghouse. Right, I'm delaying this so much. I've got to stop reading your comments. Polarizer is overrated. Tilt your light, it should be fine. I tried that, to be fair. Didn't really make much of a difference. For me, anyway. Yeah, washed out effect, I feel, with mine. Yeah. Don't get me wrong. Yeah, there is a difference, but it's not too bad. As soon as you go with... because I used to have that crappy, like, microphone holder arm. And you could twist the angle. So I had a really good twisted angle. Image used to be amazing, but it was just bouncing everywhere. Boing. How do these HDMI ports get so busted? I don't know. On the Series X, I honestly don't know. Because these are really durable. That's why you never get any solder issues. It's always physical issues. Yeah, optical microscopes. The polarizer does subtle. Was playing with one yesterday. Oh, does it? The optical one. Oh my god. I know I could have just turned up the torque on it, but can't bothered. Little pet donut. Whoop. Worst case with the light adapting, just creates an adapter. Oh, just create an adapter. Yeah, I'll figure something out. Oh my god. These are torqued up so much on this console. What the hell? PS5s are from drops. Xbox is just a big rectangle. Yeah. Wow, I'm gonna have to up that torque. That is just silly. That is almost maxed out. That's like halfway. Is it still gonna struggle? No. Just make everything dark, really dark. Using acryl scopes, not a diagesis scope. Can't read all that. I like Paul's idea of tilting the ring light a few degrees. It's better, more effective with the polarizer. Yeah, than the polarizer. Yeah, hopefully it will be. As soon as I put it on there, we'll see what it does. Wait, I did buy that as well, didn't I? PLD, the angle 3D printed thing. Missed the screw. I can't remember if it come with it. I never asked. Oops. If not, I'll print it. Hello, John. How are you? New apprentice made that one up at the factory. I think he did. That's well over torqued. Never had one that much. Yes, the two you're getting at angled lights. Wicked, thank you. Is this another customer email? Hi again. Please send it to... Right, okay. Okay, yeah, no worries. Right, so the ladies confirmed the address from that clock. Oh, no. It's going to be like the one with the shield. Yeah, I'm good, thank you. No, he's not Grass Puddle. Nah. It's only for special people. Special! Jeez, this whole thing's stiff. Why would that not come out? Jesus. Oh, Christ. Poor tech F up. I have no idea. This whole thing's like destroyed. Oh no, this is the newer one, I think. It's got the middle button on it, not the side clamps. Oh. What the actual hell? Ugh. Oh, come on. Now what? Wrong postcode. Okay. She just corrected herself. Oh, yeah, it's the newer one. My bad. Good. Waiting for Andy to launch it through the window. No, not this one. The other one I could have, but not this one. This one's okay. It's not too bad. Bye, Alfie. Oh, Oh, come on. Why is she emailing constantly? Oh, no, it's not. It's the school. Flu vaccination link. Flu vaccine link. Huh. Okay, let's get this off. Let me go get a new one first before I do it. Come on, wake up, controller. There you go. Oh, also, my colour's wrong. I've got to sort my colouring out. Hold on. There you go. Let's go get another one. Series S ports, Series X. See if I can fit a fume extractor on it too. Sorry if it's a bit loud. Is my noise reduction thing's on? Wait for my iron to warm up. Hello, Daves. How are you? Did I get every single one then? Yeah. No, that one's not. That'll do, don't care. That'll do. I have to edit my video for today. Trouble is, I started talking at the start of it, but stuff got serious and stopped talking. Like when you're trying to find a house and have to turn off the radio. Ooh. Hello, Symbol Tech. Tony. Like the video on the ring lights, PLD. $440, 70%. Maybe the new gen of kids that can do this work via digital camera instead of optics. Yeah, this is digital. Oh yeah, you can probably tell, yeah. But I'm not a new gen kid. I'm 45 years old. Oh, I've got no counterweight on it. It's that stupid glue underneath. I might go 480 here. Yeah, let's boost it up. Full whack. Here we go. Sorry, I've got to suck it out. Depth perception is underrated. Fume extractor's doing a good job right now. Wow, you're also young on here. Now I'm 35. Be 36 this year. So young. 55? Really? I don't know. 50s feel interesting, I would say. No way I feel like I'm more than my mid-late 30s. But I think we're all the same. When you go double, you never go back. When you go double? Double what? Oh, double eyes, maybe. Know your age. Oh, me, 56, you little shit. What do you mean? I do this stuff to make money for the kids. Oops. Some of the solder got in the holes. I hope that hasn't damaged it there. It's just a ground. Is that ground? Yeah, it's just a ground thing. They can stay in there. Alright, let's get this new port on. I need counterweight. I've never had that happen to me before. I've never had that happen. So I think it is a trace anyway, is it? Doesn't look like it. Swap the weed for catnip. Oh yeah, there's that. Hello, sit down. Well, there you go. Bloody hell. Every console I repair, every console I repair smells of weed. Wonder what the other side's like. Dum dum dum. I know this side would be fine. What about the other side? Well, that looks a bit weird down there. Let's have a look. What's the other side saying? So nervous right now. Oh, yeah, looks good. Oh, yeah, look good. Sitting a little bit proud, but it's okay. What did we do? Oh, look what you made me do. Now it's getting dark. Why is it looking dark now? It's weird. Is it because I'm higher up? Maybe. Sorry about the blurriness. Our postie gives us weird looks when the catnip gets delivered 1 kilogram. It does look like weed though, doesn't it? Ah, okay, that's as good as I'm gonna get. Not bad. Clean the front. Do the nudge test. Yep, yep. I mean, you can see they're sitting down perfectly. Cool. Oh, got a customer ringing. La 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 la, copyright, copyright. Hello? Hi, yeah, speaking. Okay. Sorry guys, that's the score. My daughter needs picking up. I haven't got the car. She might not answer. Oh man, this is annoying. Might have to get a taxi. My daughter, no, she's in a lot of pain. She needs picking up from school. Come on, why does she have to have a funeral now? Ugh. No, I don't have friends or neighbours. No friendly neighbours anyway. No, I'm going to have to get a taxi. Right, guys, I'm going to have to leave it there for a minute. I'll have to come back once she's sorted out. I mean, yeah, picked her up and stuff. Sorry. Yeah, thank you. No, yeah, she'll be fine. She might be on a period or something. Or close to a period. Sounds bad, but she's 13, so... Right, I'm going to go, guys. Sorry for the short one. We'll continue resuming. So I'm going in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, exactly. Bye, guys.